Okay, so we've got the hot glue heating up. We've got lovely cabbage here.
I'm going to eat the whole thing in 5 seconds.
Does anybody actually eat this?
I do.
You eat cabbage?
In soup, yes. We eat cabbage.
Do you guys eat cabbage out there? Let us know what your favorite cabbage menu is. I'm a vegetarian, a picky one at that, and I'll tell you that this is not on my list of food that I like to eat.
I like it. It's good for you.
Hey, Miss Rachel. Okay, so I want to show you a DIY Easter centerpiece using our lovely cabbage heads here. We've got a small one and we've got a bigger one. This is actually the biggest one that was in our supermarket today.
It's not that big.
If you guys find bigger, go out and get it because you're going to need it. And you didn't get a knife.
I did not get a knife.
Hang tight. Hey, guess what? Check out the new barn door as an office door. That is going to be this week's YouTube video. So if you're looking to learn how to install a sliding barn door into your own property, because it is a popular trend right now, and you don't need a door like this. You can customize your own.
You'll like this door.
It can look contemporary. It could look very traditional, very industrial, very farmhouse. Whatever your style is, a barn door works wonders. Hi, Diana. How are you? This is so interesting to me. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you're here. Okie dokie. So,
I am not doing anything until you tell me to do it. So, yes. I'm going to get in trouble tonight. I'm going to warn everyone ahead of time. I'm going to get in trouble tonight.
Okay, so I want to show you again.
I'm Peter Cottontail getting in trouble.
Let me just repeat myself one more time. I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can use cabbage to create a centerpiece. And one is going to be our base. So you could either use a small cup or vase if you have it. This one is a little too big for the cabbage. I mean, it would work. However, I know Sal, and he'd probably break my cabbage right on camera. So,
thanks. Thanks for the inspiration.
I'm giving him the smaller clear glass cup. What is this to?
Oi.
Oh, gosh.
To my yogurt.
So you go, you be healthy, you grab yourself a little thing of yogurt, have that for lunch, and by dinner time, you're making a
Oi.
Floured DIY cabbage. Okay,
yep.
So you see how this is a little bit bigger?
Yeah, I'm gonna shape it right now.
Okay, so Sal is responsible for cutting the circle inside the center of the cabbage. Wait, before you do that one more time. We managed to get a really flat cabbage, so we don't have to do anything to the bottom. If you have a cabbage that has, I guess, a little bit of a neck, I don't know what you call that.
Stump.
A stump. I don't know what you would call it in the cabbage world, but just make sure that you have a flat surface to work on so you don't cut yourself, and the centerpiece stays center.
Oi.
Okay, well, make sure
Oi.
It's in the middle, though.
Go ahead. You got better eyes than me, I think. Even
just
though
a little bit over this way.
This is gonna. I'm telling you,
Marva,
Peter Cottontail is gonna get into a lot of trouble tonight. I know it already. I'm already in trouble.
Okay. The next thing that we're gonna do. So this is gonna be one way, and the second way is taking a small glass vase if you have it, or if you find these in your grocery stores. And this is, blue hyacinthia. I love the way these smell. So let me show you how to decorate this.
Can I start cutting, by the way?
Yes. Oh, boy.
We got some shaking going on tonight, people.
Okay, so if you find one of these in your store and it doesn't really have a fancy base, this is what you could do. And you guys tell me right now, do you want to see the fancy base on this, or do you want to see the fancy base on the clear glass? Any
I like the
suggestions?
clear glass.
Clear glass. Okay. So just know, I'm going to do it on here, but you could replicate it on any one of these bases if it doesn't have anything nice, and you can give this away as a gift. And it looks festive for Easter. All right, so now with the second smaller cabbage, I'm just gonna peel back the leaves and rip these guys off.
With some shake.
Hopefully not break it. You wanna try and get full pieces. Clear, oh good, so I'm doing it. I'm doing it, Rochelle, clear. Rochelle, did you hear about Whitey? So sad. I was just looking at the past thing we were talking about, the birds. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple of pieces off. Again, try and get them as big as possible. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and glue my cabbage leaf to the side. And it's not, I mean, I'm also going to put something around it to secure it, but I just kind of want to put them on the side this way.
Everyone saw that?
Everyone saw it. Okay, so let me just put some hot glue. And obviously you kind of need to do this the morning of unless you put it in your fridge. However, I can't guarantee that it won't wilt. So
that's it.
My mom is coming over for brunch on Sunday. We need to figure out what it is we're actually making.
I have an idea.
Oh, so look, the 4 is going to work. All right, so I have 4 pieces of cabbage leaves on the bottom of my... Let me put this
Oh, look, master...
Damn it, he beat me, people!
Masterpiece! No, I didn't beat you. I didn't decorate it. I'm not decorating it, but...
Why not?
Oh, no. Look like
Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm taking twine and I'm just going to wrap it. Can you get this out of my way for a minute?
What, it stinks?
Well, that and it's in my way. Yes, I'm a vegetarian, but for some reason, no cabbage.
Yeah, she's a true vegetarian. X, A, B, and C.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap the twine around a couple times. This way the cabbage stays in place, just in case the... Hang on. Just in case the glue is not participating with me. Do it one more time. Let's go around 3 times, right? Okay.
Isn't there a song like that?
I don't know. Loop-de-loo 3 times.
Loop-de-loop.
Good job, Sal. I love it so far.
I'm getting there.
All right. Cut it off. Can you guys see this? What I like to do is I like to just tie. I mean, you could do a bow. You could do whatever you want to do. I'm just going to do a knot and then a series of knots going down so it looks more braided than anything else. But get as creative as you want. So much fun. Hi, Lynn.
She's dancing while she's doing this, by the way.
Lynn, you're
Her
writing...
feet are dancing.
You're writing me a book,
She's
Lynn. What's
dancing.
happening over here? Lynn is saying...
Lynn is saying, you guys are wacko.
Lynn is saying... I don't know what Lynn is saying.
That's what she's saying. You guys are nuts. Yes, we are, Lynn. Let me start by me. I'll tell you a little
Lynn is
about
saying,
about
you're
yourself.
both so entertaining. Such a fun project. Hope you enjoyed Canada. Missed you, but would love to see you next time around. Canada was super fun. So for those of you who were there, thank you so much for coming out. I was at Lux Rental Furniture for their Lux in Bloom event where they were expanding their showroom and had a party, obviously, to celebrate it.
No.
Because it was so much fun.
Not you at a party. No way. I don't believe it. I was a guest speaker there. We had so much fun. We talked about video. And why not? You have to put my yogurt back in the fridge.
I'm not worried about your yogurt. Darling. Okay, again, these are just grocery store bought grocery store. But do you want to put some water inside?
I can't move, can I?
Can you come over here so people can see? Can you guys all see what he's doing?
Da, 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 da. How much water would you like?
I don't know.
In my oi. That's enough.
Okay. You want to put a little bit of this in there?
Sure, why not?
So just put the food that comes with the packet. It stays fresher, right?
Fresher is better.
Fresher is better. Just a little bit because it's a little cup.
Pardon.
I also need the water, please.
Pardon.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I have to admit, this cabbage is pretty stinky.
I'm sure she's going to spray it with some.
What can I spray it with?
My cologne.
Okay, scissors. Eee! Hi.
That's enough.
How am I serious? I'm serious? I'm seriously funny.
Serious. Serious. And I'm seriously, I don't know what.
I have to be serious because I'm the only one that knows what's happening next. All right, hold these, please.
Yeah. And
Darling.
I gotta be... I am the Easter man. I come with the Easter egg, please.
Okay, well, since both of these are low containers, we don't need all the stem here, so I'm just going to start by cutting it all off. Maybe not that off.
My flowers, they're all dying. Will you marry me?
I already did that once, thank you.
Yeah, don't do it again.
I'm going to put some
fertilizer
food in mine. And did you mix it around?
Da, 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 da. Oh, thanks, Brainiac. Thanks for that.
What?
You didn't give me a
okay,
stick.
What flowers do you want in here?
I want beautiful ones.
Okay, let's see. Can you guys see? I feel like our table is just exploded.
It's cluttered right now. Tori's favorite word to use, clutter.
This is going to be really small. Okay.
Hi. I love you.
So just build your bouquet like you would anything else. Get some different colored flowers going on in this one.
Guess who's gonna clean this afterwards? It's not gonna be Tori.
Why isn't it gonna be me?
Cooking and cleaning at the same time. She's gonna have
That's the way it rolls,
whip
right?
out. Whip it. Oh, whip it good. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Give me one of these, please.
Look at that. Wow. I didn't even see that happening.
What?
How fast you are.
And you want to know why I like these, that they're lower? You just want to make sure, first of all, that you fill them up so they are of equal size to your cabbage. But I like these because they're not big on your table, and then you can actually see the person across from you and have a conversation. However, if you don't want to see the person across from you...
That's what I'm saying. If you don't want to see that person, make them higher. Hi.
Then,
how are you today?
Then use a high.
Oh, very good. How are you? How's your Easter? Oh, very bunny.
Can somebody please help me?
I've done that. There's times.
I can't see over there. What's happening?
Here you go. I got you. Hey, can you see me now?
Stop.
I can't see a thing.
He likes to torment me. All right, guys. So that is your one way. Nice, small, colorful. You could even put multiple ones of these on your longer tables. What do you think?
Or you can mix match. Have one small. And for the people that don't want conversation and that are isolated, we know who you are. You keep them like this. Hey, how you doing? How was your evening? How's your Easter? How's your food? Oh, good? Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Yes, we can do that too. That's our next segment. Make your flowers bloom.
Okay, bloom. What happened to these flowers?
They're a store-bought.
Hold on.
Oh, I like that one.
Of course you like this one because I made it.
You made both of them, actually. I just cut hole. I don't like the caveman. I cut hole. You feel whole. I'm the caveman.
Oh my goodness.
And she destroyed my yogurt. And it's a good yogurt. Let me just tell you.
Yeah, so these little guys too, where is that? So these you could use so much. Keep your containers, recycle, reuse. You can put so many things in here. You could spray paint them.
Seeds.
You can grow your herbs.
Yeah. Rosemary, parsley.
Check this out. Add some more stink to it, right?
Are you serious? I did not see this one coming. Did not. I don't even know what you're doing with this one. Oh, boy.
So you just skewer your little Brussels sprout there.
It almost reminds me of...
And stick them up in the top.
It almost reminds me of the dessert place. What's it called?
I don't know.
With the strawberries and the pineapple, chocolate.
Edible arrangements?
This is edible Tori.
Okay, well, I don't think anybody wants to eat raw Brussels sprouts.
But maybe you can take it apart and cook some of it.
So, of course, you know, since I'm a stager, I'll just do this in threes.
Not going to happen. This is video time. See you later.
Video time, people. There you go. So 2 different ways that you can use cabbage, because cabbage is the Easter vegetable of choice for a lot of people. But you could either cover your clear glasses and jars with cabbage leaves. You can even do it with store-bought base containers that are just kind of, you know, there and not really festive. Or you can put your clear glass. We used a yogurt.
My oi.
His oi.
Oi vase.
His oi glass container recycled inside there to create a small arrangement. So go try these out, guys. Let us know what you think. And also let us know what you want to see next from us.
Eat the yogurt first.
Thank you guys so much for watching us live. Make sure you tune in every... What's today? Every Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern for more home staging and DIY tips and Sal's funny antics.
Yay.
Love you guys. Happy Easter, happy Passover, and have a great week.